Skul Sinatnis High Secondary School Shillong sa Shisin kalalep ha. Wala kam shim lala banyo ya kertan ke beningkong. Ha ke Eksamin Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate ha ke Science but Commerce Stream. Hendrik lala pat ben say ya ki kena babontam ban bat ya kerang babede ki ba kmat do. Kata na pedeng ki shipongod ki bala wan shakmat ha ke ni ke Eksamin. Kamiglaya Board of School Education lani ke embos kalapin benai ya ke result jong ke Hsslc Science but Commerce but Vocational ha ke kendai terik ujimang. Haga science stream baro ki don nyongot ki kena naga school Sinatnis High Secondary School ki blawan chakmat na pedeng ki shipongot ki kena hapo ke jela kini ki kentob ya ka ishita pat charge ka bayo ka position ka balai ka Sumitra Jha ka position ka basan ka Sargam Datta bat ka Sharmin Khongsit ka position ka banyo ubiswa Deepnath position ka kendai but Samjanai Sinna position ba shipau. Haga commerce stream ru ke skol kelayo hadu nyau teli ki kerdan besyakman bagita kilong u akshat podar ka kerdan ka baa ka Satakshi Das pat sneha pol ka kerdan ka balai u Deepak Sitya ka kerdan ka basan Neng Ningchin ka kerdan ka bandrio ipi balam ti marwen ka kerdan bahnyo bat Kashish Sharma ka kerdan ka bekendai.
What is Sinatnis good for? Absolute. Who is good for? And today we are happy because we have made use of all the opportunities. We have made use of all the things that have been provided for your best. Therefore, we are grateful to you.
First of all, I would like to thank all my teachers, my parents, my mother, for always standing by my side and supporting me with every decision that I have made. I also like to thank God because I think believing in Him made me work harder than I actually believe myself to be able to perform. One piece of advice I'd like to give you all, although I know most of them will ignore it. If you work hard yourself and you believe that you can achieve something, there are very less chances that you won't achieve it.
Yes.
And you should always keep some room in your head to expect the unexpected. And as is the case with me, I never expected to even be in the ranks, but here I am. So that I'd like to conclude.